Goat farming today is not like it was. Many folks are seeing the value in these animals. They provide milk, meat, and even fiber. But to get the best from your goats, you need good systems. A well-designed goat house is the foundation. It's more than just a roof over their heads, you see. It's about creating an environment for them to thrive. Old ways of keeping goats often meant basic, rough shelters. Sometimes there was hardly any shelter at all, but modern farming aims for efficiency and health. We want productive animals, not just survivors. A proper goat house protects from extreme weather. It keeps them dry in the rain and cool in the heat. This reduces stress and prevents many common illnesses. Goats that are comfortable and secure are less stressed. Less stress means stronger immune systems. This leads to fewer vet bills and healthier animals. Healthy animals grow better and produce more. Whether you're raising them for milk or meat, this matters. Plan it right, build it well, and your goats will thank you. Let's explore how to do just that, step by step. Before you hammer a single nail, you need a plan. Good planning is the secret to any successful farm project. This is especially true for a goat house for 300 animals. First, consider the specific needs of your goats. What breed are they? Different breeds have different needs. Think about your local climate conditions too. Site selection is absolutely critical for your goat haven. You want a spot with good drainage. Goats do not like wet feet. It leads to hoof problems. Sunlight is also important for warmth and drying, but you'll also need shade in hotter months. Accessibility for feed delivery and manure removal is key. Next, you must understand local regulations and permits. Don't get caught out by building codes or zoning laws. Do your homework up front to avoid costly mistakes later. Think about future expansion. Will you grow your herd, plan for enough space, or design for easy additions? A well-thought-out plan is your roadmap to a functional goat house. It ensures your investment serves you and your goats well. Every farm is different, folks. Every farmer is different. What works perfectly for your neighbor might not suit you. That's why customization is so important in goat house design. A one-size-fits-all approach rarely leads to the best results. We believe in tailoring the structure to your specific needs. This starts with listening carefully to you, the farmer. What are your goals for your goat operation? How do you envision managing your herd daily? Are you focused on dairy, meat, or fiber production? This impacts pen design, milking areas, and handling facilities. The number of goats, currently 300 in this example, is a starting point. But we also discuss kidding pens for mothers and young. Or perhaps you need isolation pens for sick animals. These details make a huge difference in daily operations. A custom design addresses these practical realities effectively. Tailoring the design directly impacts functionality and efficiency. A house built for your method saves you time and effort. It reduces stress on both animals and staff. A customized goat house is not a luxury, it's a smart investment. It makes your daily farming life easier and more productive. Let's step inside this modern goat house designed for 300 goats. The main building is where your animals will spend much time, so it needs to be comfortable, clean, and functional. One of the first things you'll notice is the ventilation. Good air quality is paramount for respiratory health in goats. We design for excellent natural airflow patterns. High ceilings and strategically placed openings help achieve this. Lighting is another crucial element inside the structure. Goats, like us, benefit from natural daylight. We incorporate plenty of windows or translucent panels. These allow sunlight in, which also helps keep things dry. For darker days or nighttime, artificial lighting is planned. It should be sufficient for easy inspection of animals. Proper lighting contributes to a calmer environment for the goats. Flooring is a major consideration for goat comfort and hygiene. Many modern designs, including ours, feature slatted floors. These allow manure and urine to fall through. This keeps the goats cleaner and drier above. The overall internal layout is designed for ease of management. A comfortable goat is a productive goat, remember that. Section 5. Room to roam. The vital role of exercise grounds. Goats are active, curious animals, folks. They were not designed to be cooped up all day. A dedicated outdoor exercise ground is essential for their well-being. This isn't just a nice to have, it's a necessity. Providing space for them to move, jump, and play is vital. It contributes significantly to their physical health. Stronger muscles and bones develop with regular activity. It also helps prevent boredom and associated behavioral problems. The benefits of an exercise yard extend beyond just physical fitness. It's crucial for their mental stimulation too. Goats are intelligent creatures that need engagement. An outdoor area allows them to express natural behaviors. They can browse, socialize, and explore their surroundings. This reduces stress and leads to happier, more content animals. When designing the exercise ground, fencing is a top priority. Goats are notorious escape artists, as many of you know. The fencing must be secure, strong, and tall enough. Woven wire or high-tensile electric fencing are good options. Ensure there are no gaps or weak points they can exploit. A well-fenced yard gives you peace of mind. Section 6. Nourishment and cleanliness, feeding troughs and hygiene protocols. Proper feeding systems are fundamental to a healthy goat herd. The design of feeding troughs plays a big role here. They must allow easy access for all goats. This minimizes competition and ensures everyone gets their share. Troughs should be built to reduce feed wastage. Goats can be picky eaters and will sort through feed. A good design keeps feed clean and prevents contamination. Consider the height carefully for the breed and age of your goats. Clean, fresh water must be available at all times. This is non-negotiable for animal health and productivity. Water systems can range from simple troughs to automatic waterers. Automatic systems save labor and ensure constant supply. Whatever system you choose, it must be easy to clean. Algae and bacteria can build up quickly in water sources. Regular cleaning is essential to prevent health problems. Manure management is a cornerstone of good hygiene. In a house for 300 goats, a lot of manure is produced. A plan for its regular collection and disposal is crucial. Effective manure management reduces odors and fly populations. Hygiene isn't glamorous, but it's essential for successful goat farming. Section 7. Built to endure, the strength of concrete and smart materials. When you invest in a goat house, you want it to last. Durability is a key consideration in material selection. This is especially true in regions with challenging conditions. Termites and moisture can wreak havoc on wooden structures. That's why we often recommend concrete pillars for the foundation. Concrete is incredibly strong and resistant to pests. It doesn't rot or decay when exposed to ground moisture. This provides a solid, long-lasting base for your building. Concrete pillars elevate the main structure off the ground. This improves airflow underneath, further reducing moisture issues. It also creates a barrier against termites and other boring insects. In areas prone to flooding, this elevation can be critical. The longevity of concrete means fewer repairs over time. While the initial cost might be slightly higher than wood posts, the long-term savings in maintenance and replacement are significant. Beyond concrete, other materials are chosen for their resilience. For roofing, metal sheets are often a good choice. They are durable, weather-resistant, and relatively lightweight. Quality materials reduce the need for frequent repairs. Build it right the first time with materials that endure. Section 8. Figuring the finances, a cost breakdown for 300 goats and beyond. Alright, let's talk about the dollars and cents, folks. Building a modern goat house for 300 goats involves investment. A detailed cost breakdown is essential for your planning. For a structure of this size, designed with durability and function, the cost can range significantly based on specifics. However, a general estimate for a well-equipped facility for 300 goats might be around $25,000 to $40,000. This includes the main shelter, basic pens, and exercise area. Several factors influence the final cost of your goat house. The overall size and complexity of the design are major drivers. The types of materials chosen will also impact the budget. Concrete pillars and metal roofing might cost more upfront, but they save money in the long run, as we've discussed. Labor costs vary by region and the skill of the builders. Custom features like advanced ventilation or milking parlors add to the cost. Site preparation, like leveling or drainage work, is another factor. The key is to focus on value for money and return on investment. Investing in a well-designed, durable goat house pays off. Section 9. More than just walls, comprehensive support for your farming vision. Building a great goat house is a fantastic start, folks. But successful farming often requires more than just good infrastructure. That's why we offer supplementary services to support your venture. We understand that you're not just building a barn, you're building a business, a livelihood, a way of life. Our goal is to help you succeed in all aspects. This means looking beyond the physical structure itself. We aim to provide holistic support for your farming goals. One valuable service we offer is business plan development. A solid business plan is crucial for any agricultural enterprise. It helps you define your goals and map out your strategy. It covers financial projections, marketing plans, and operational details. For goat farming, this includes herd management and product sales. A well-crafted business plan is essential for securing loans. It also serves as your guide to profitability and growth. We can help you put together a plan that works. Architectural design services are, of course, at our core. We provide detailed blueprints and construction plans.